Take the torn up card and magically restore it. Take the ace of spades and turn it into money.
Wow.
Take the 7 and change it into an ace.
No way!
Take the $1 bill and change it into 100. Watch the pencil just stick like this and magically grow.
That's huge!
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! Alright guys, major announcement. We are back on our world tour starting April 23rd. We'll be in Cairo, Egypt, April 25th in Beijing, China, and then April 29th, 2018 in Sydney, Australia. There's a major Australia fan meetup going on at the Sydney Opera House. I want to see all the Australian Era Squad there. We'll be doing fan pick, giving away free merch, and doing some amazing magic. So if you want to take part in the meetup, it's free for all ages. If you come to the Australia fan meetup, you will be in the Around the World video, maybe learn a few magic tricks, and get some free merch. I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you how to do 3 impossible magic tricks.
Impossible. Those pajamas are impossible. This actually happened.
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. This one is a cool tech trick that you can do anytime, anywhere. Check it out. So you're gonna take the headphones. The only problem with these is the cords always get tangled up like this. So let's try a little bit of magic, see if we can fix that. Watch.
Whoa, what is... Whoa!
Just like that. They magically turn into wireless AirPods.
That's so cool. I think, what? They changed.
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, here's what you're gonna need to perform this trick. First thing you're going to need are some earbuds, and the second thing you're going to need are some AirPods. These are little wireless headphones, and they look exactly like the earbuds without the wire. That's kind of key to this trick. We're gonna start out with the AirPods concealed in our hand before the trick starts. We're also going to start out the trick with the wired earbuds in our hand as well, but in kind of a different way. We're going to let the wires drape across our hand just like that. Now what's actually gonna happen is this wire right here, the main wire that connects to the phone, is going to run up our sleeve like this. Now we're going to close our fist around the AirPods and the wire. We want to kind of leave a hole with our thumb and forefinger. It's going to allow the wire to slide through it on that side. We're going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to close the pinky around it, just like that, so that the wire can slide through there. So now from the front, should look just like that as you pull this wire up your sleeve. Continue pulling until the earbuds slide up your sleeve, and then open your hand to reveal the wireless AirPods. Super impossible looking trick. It looks like the wires of the headphones are just magically sucking up into your hand, and then the headphones just magically upgrade themselves. And that is the secret of the magic earphones trick. For this one, you're gonna take an everyday object and do something truly impossible. Take a look. All right, V, I have a cool pencil trick to show you. Check that out for me.
Real.
Seems normal.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna sit it on the table just like this.
Okay.
Also have a paper towel roll here. Take the paper towel tube, just stick it down like this.
Whoa!
Grows into
Is it real? What? It's completely empty. Is it real? Yeah? Is it right?
Yeah.
What? That's crazy. Nice. That was awesome.
Spoiler alert, the secret of this amazing illusion is coming up next. Okay, here is the secret to the magic growing pencil trick. And the tube really is empty. You can see right through there, there's no pencil hidden inside there. All you need for this is a giant pencil. These are available now at evaneratv.com. Also, stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm giving 3 of these away to 3 lucky comments in the comment section. You'll also need a regular size pencil that looks very similar to your giant pencil. So just a yellow pencil with a silver coupling and a pink eraser. Pretty easy to find. And then you're going to need a paper towel roll. This is actually a wrapping paper roll. You can make this same thing by just rolling up a piece of paper or a piece of construction paper. So basically what you're gonna do is hide the giant pencil inside the wrapping paper roll before the trick starts. And you're gonna keep it inside the roll by simply pinching with your fingers and squeezing it through the roll just like this, and you're gonna hold it in place. The next step is to make this pencil disappear at the exact same time that you make the pencil appear. By the way, the pencil eraser is flat enough that it will sit on the table and it will just stand up on its own just like that. So basically here's what's happening. The regular size pencil is going to slide up inside the paper roll just like that. It's going to go in one of these folds and get hidden inside. So without the big pencil, here's what's happening. You're going to make sure you're in one of the folds of paper, and as it goes down, it's naturally just going to pick the pencil up in the folds of paper like that. And you want to be careful not to flash the bottom of it. Reason being is the pencil's hiding here. They can still look through the roll like this and it looks like it's completely empty. So now all we're going to do is combine combine those two things, that is the pencil disappearing into the roll and the giant pencil appearing from inside the roll. We're just gonna do them both at the same time, but it's pretty much self-working. So the paper towel roll goes down over the pencil, you let the big pencil go, and it looks like it's just magically grown. You can show the paper towel roll empty, hand out the giant pencil for examination. It actually is a real wooden pencil and it has a real pencil lead. It will actually write, and it'll even erase. It has a real eraser. It disappeared. And that is the secret of the magic growing pencil trick. Here's an impossible card trick that's so easy anyone can do it. Take a look. Okay, I have a really cool card trick to show you here.
right.
Gonna do it with the ace of diamonds, okay?
right.
Just inspect the card, make sure it's normal. I also have my little magic box here. A magic card box. The card actually fits inside it perfectly. Go ahead and just drop it right down.
Up or down or?
Doesn't matter.
Oh.
See how well it fits. Now, what we're gonna try is something kind of different with the card. If you will, take a second and just tear the card up. You can tear it up into as many pieces as you'd like. So, we've got it torn up into 4 different pieces.
Yeah.
And we'll tear it a couple more times.
Yeah.
Right.
Make it tough.
So that's pretty well destroyed now. So we've got probably 10 different pieces of card here, it looks like.
Yeah.
So all we're gonna do is put them down in the magic box like this, and we're gonna set the pieces there. This is the ace of diamonds. Now check this out. All we have to do is close up the magic box like this. Let's close it up. Snap, and look. If you open it.
What?
Actually,
No way! We tore it up. Wow. Whoa. Yeah. I just tore it all the way down. It took like 2 seconds to put it back.
the beauty of this trick is that it does the magic itself. Here's the secret. Okay, here is the secret to the magic torn and restored card. The secret is all found in the little magic box. It does all the work for you. There's a secret compartment hidden inside the box. This is a little piece of metal sheeting right here, and it fits perfectly in the lid of the box, just like this, so that when you close it, it instantly transfers to the other side and hides whatever is here. So in this case, we have the torn pieces of the card. Then we have a duplicate card of the ace of diamonds. It's gonna go right here in the other side. The black piece is gonna go on top, and then when we close it up, that black piece is gonna fall with the card and cover the torn pieces, looking like the card just magically restores in an instant. And then what's beautiful about it is the piece of black metal actually magnets to the other side so that you can hand this out for examination. The pieces of the torn card are now locked in here. The only way to remove it is with this little magnet that comes with it. This is the only way to discover the secret of the trick. You just pull the little panel out, you can remove the torn pieces and perform the trick again. Now this is not limited to just restoring torn cards. You can also make a card change from one card to another. You can also use this to just make a card magically disappear. Snap your fingers, open the box, and it's just completely gone. Then maybe the card appears inside your pocket or inside a spectator's pocket. You can even use it for stuff other than card tricks. Take the ace of spades and turn it into money. Or a fun trick is always to take a spectator's money, put it in your magic box, close it up, say a magic word, and their money has just magically disappeared. Say thank you for a lovely evening and have a good night. You can also use it to make stuff appear. Just close the box up after it looks empty, open it, and there's a bunch of money inside. These are available now at evaneratv.com if you want to pick one up. There are literally hundreds of different tricks that you can do with the magic box. And also stay tuned until the end of the video for a special giveaway. I'm giving away a couple magic boxes to lucky comments in the comment section down below. And that is the secret of the magic torn and restored card box. Alright guys, that is it. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, share it with someone you think might like it. All the likes and shares on the video really do help, so if you take the time to share it on your Facebook or Twitter, I really do appreciate it. If you haven't been over to our online magic shop, evaneratv.com, be sure to check that out at the link in the description. We have a lot of cool magic tricks, really easy stuff that everyone can do, laugh at life gear, and a whole lot more. We've got a bunch of new products in the shop right now. The giant pencil from this video, the magic torn and restored card box, and the magic shrinking cards. A lot of you guys have been asking for those. Those are available now in the shop. Link is in the description down below. Super excited to go back on our world tour starting today. While you're watching this, we are on a plane on our way to Amman, Jordan, then Cairo, Egypt, layover in Dubai, then Beijing, China, then Australia, and then back home. We're literally going around the world in 10 days. If you want to follow our travels, be sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away 3 giant pencils and 3 magic boxes. The 3 lucky comments in the comment section down below. All you have to do to be eligible to win the giveaway is give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment. The more comments you leave on the video, the better your chances of winning, and we will mail you out a pencil pencil so that you can perform this amazing illusion for your friends and family. Alright guys, it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are these names right here. Send me an email at evaneratv.giveaways@gmail.com. Make sure you send your full mailing address to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered the giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button and leave your comments in the comment section down below. If you missed the last episode of How To Magic, it's right over there. Be sure to click the subscribe button if you're new and tap the notification bell so you see all of our videos. The vlog channel's right down there if you want to follow our journey on the world tour. Subscribe to that as well. The shop's right down there if you want to grab some merch, and until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.